In this video, I will show you how to leverage the power of artificial intelligence to audit and improve your design systems within Figma. Managing a robust design system is one of the most challenging tasks for any product designer or front-end developer because it requires perfect consistency across hundreds of components and variants. Fortunately, you can now use Claude to handle the heavy lifting of reviewing your libraries for technical accuracy and scalability. To get started, open a new chat in Claude and look for the plus icon located in the input bar. This is where you can manage your integrations. You need to ensure that the Figma connection is turned on and authorized so that Claude can securely access your project files. Once the integration is active, you are ready to provide the specific context for the audit. Simply copy the direct link to your Figma design system or your specific component library page. In the chat box, you should paste the link and provide a detailed prompt to guide the artificial intelligence. You might type something like, "Please review this design system library and audit the component naming conventions, variant structures, and auto layout settings to ensure they are consistent and scalable." Claude will then scan your file and analyze how you have structured your layers and properties. It will identify if your naming follows industry standards or if your auto layout settings are missing constraints that might cause components to break when resized. This process helps you catch small errors that are often overlooked by the human eye but can cause significant headaches during the developer handoff phase. By following these simple steps, you can maintain a professional-grade library that stays organized as your product grows. Thank you for watching this tutorial on optimizing your workflow.